Hi there, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own favicon using Canva for free. And when I say a favicon, it's these little things that you see at the top of your pages. It's just an identity of the website, like everyone knows the G for Google and the F for Facebook. And it's not massively important that you have one for your website, but I just think it looks a bit more professional if you do. So I'm just going to show you how you can create your own. So into Canva, Canva, and like I say, there's a free option. There's obviously an upgrade as well, but you can create them for free. So I'll just show you how to do that. So in here, I'll create a design. And down here, these favicons need to be 500 by 500 pixels. So click in there for logo, and we'll create our own. So for instance, my website, which is Honest Look Review. So I would like to create a favicon. Now it's important when you do create a favicon that it's very simple, because if you put loads of text in and colours and stuff, they don't show up very well. You've just got to be you know, like the Google, it's just a G, and the Facebook is just an F. So what I'll do is I'll create an element, and if I put in here eyes, enter. So like I say, a fresh look review, so a pair of eyes. What could be more simpler than that? So I will do that, make it nice and big, as big as you can get it really. Okay, and I will download that. You can download it as a PNG, that's fine. And I have this now, and I will just save as, and I'll put it into my snips. Just remember where you put these things. So if I call it eyes favicon, I'll save that. So now we have the favicon saved. Now it's a case of actually going to our website and inputting it, which I'll show you next. So now I'm within my website, which is freshlookraviews.com, and if I go to the appearance and customize, that opens these fields up here, and I go to site identity. Now up here you can select your logo, but down here this is where you put your site. It's called site icon or favicon. So if I change the image and I go to upload files, select files, go into my snips, and eyes favicon there, open that, select. Now it asks for cropping image. You don't need to crop it because it's the right size anyway, so skip cropping, and that's now in there. So let's go and have a look at, so after that you have to click publish, and that publishes that into the site. So now if I go to any of my pages, you should find, so I'll go there to view, and as you'll see up there in the little icon, it's come up with the two little eyes. That's, I mean, I'm not going to use that. That's just an example, just to show you how you can get these changed. So as you can see, SiteGround has one, Canva has one, the Bing has one, and they usually just use one letter, just because anything more and you can't really see them. So that's how you can easily just put a little favicon in your web pages using Canva.